Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Valhalla not opening problem on your Windows 11 system. First of all, we need to open settings, then scroll down and click on Windows Update. We need to update our Windows 11. So for that, click on check for updates and we need to install the latest update downloads from here. Once done, we need to close this window and again we need to do some steps to fix the problem. Then go to task manager, open it, then click on run new task. On this tab, select browse button, then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now we need to find out system32 folder, simply double click on it to open it. Now find out cmd.exe file, select it and click on open. Now this will be our main path. Check this box and click on OK. On this window we need to execute a command, that is sfc /scan now and hit enter. This command will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it, and once done type exit to close the command prompt window and move to the next step. Simply go to search bar, type here settings and then click here to open it. On this window, click on privacy and security, then go to Windows security, and from here you will get real-time protection option. If you not get the option like real-time protection, as similar like my system is not having the real-time protection option, for that you need to do some steps. First of all, go to search bar and type here group policy, edit group policy. So from the search results we need to click on the first, then it will open local group policy editor window. From computer configuration, expand administrative templates, then we need to expand Windows components, then find out Microsoft Defender antivirus, just select it. On the right side we need to find out turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus. So here you will get the option, simply double click on it and we need to enable this option. For that, just open it. On this Windows, check this enable option, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, we need to complete the last process to fix our problem. For that, go to search bar, type here reg edit. It will open register editor window. We need to open it as administrator access, so expand HK local machine, then expand software folder, simply double click on it to open it, then expand policies folder, then go for Microsoft folder. From here select Windows Defender and on the right side we need to find out disable anti-spyware. If not, we need to create it and name it as disable anti-spyware. So modify it and change the value data as 1. Click on OK. Restart your system and your problem will be solved.